You know how sometimes there's just one main guy in a band and all the other musicians are there just to support him? Well, that's not the case with this band. I mean, when we're rocking, it's hard to explain. It's like we become one. I mean, we're always finishing each other's sandwiches. I mean, they're always eating my sandwiches. But, you know, that's not all that we share. You know, me and my mates, we have a super strong bond, you know? We also share many beauty secrets. A lot of beauty secrets, you know, like hair care tips, you know, things like that. You know, makeup, hair, all that stuff costs a fortune, you know? But we don't do it for the money. No. We do it for the money. I don't know about those other guys, but I got like 16 ex-wives, I don't know, a couple of hundred kids. I can't remember, but it was pretty foggy back then. I was touring with Ozzy for a few years, and there were like large gaps, cracks, and holes in our tour bus. I remember that. We won the bus in a poker game with ZZ Top. That was a few years ago. But luckily, we had plenty of flex backs, which means that the inside was completely dry, man.
Imagine everything you could do with the Flex Seal family of products. Available at these fine retailers.